I have a new script to show you. This one for Photoshop. Layers text to CSV. I'll show the script in Windows. It works the same on macOS. This script was a user request. I have scripts that import text into Photoshop, but a user asked for the opposite. A script that would read the contents of every text layer and save the results to a CSV file. The script will do an open image, all open images, or a folder of images. Here I have 3 images to demonstrate. I've made it simple. 3 text layers is all, and the 3 images are actually the same image, copied and renamed. To run this script, open the Actions panel. I already have an action to run the script. For help adding scripts to Photoshop, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the Actions panel, select the script Layers Text to CSV. Click the Actions panel Play button. The interface is divided into 2 sections: Process and Output. First is what to process. If an image is open, the choices Active Document and Open Documents are available. Otherwise, the only choice is a folder. I'll process a folder. Enable Include Subfolders if desired. Click the Folder button and navigate to the files to process. The path to the folder appears beside the button. Next is Output, and it works the same. Click the Folder button and choose where to save the CSV. The path to the folder appears beside the button. The final choice is only available when processing multiple open images or a folder of images. Select whether to combine all the results into a single CSV file, or keep the result of each image a separate CSV file. Click the OK button to begin. A progress bar is displayed while processing. When done, the user is notified. Let's have a look at the results. 3 files, 1 for each of the images. I'll open the first one. There it is. Document name, the layer name, and the text each contains. I'll run the script again, but this time, put all the results into a single CSV file. Click the OK button to begin. And there's the result. All 3 files, all the layers, all in a single CSV file. Get the script at the link in the description. Like this video and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. All feedback is welcome. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.